Hello, welcome to my channel Code with Imran 2.0. This is the chapter 7 of Python complete course. In this chapter, we are going to be discussing about Python ops, which is one of the great programming paradigm for organizing your code. So let's get started. Introduction to Python ops. Okay, I have a question. What is ops? So obviously ops means the object-oriented programming in Python is a programming paradigm that organizes code into objects, which are the instance of classes. It allows for better code organization, reuse, and modularity by reusing key concepts like the encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, and polymorphisms. Okay, we'll talk about it later in details. Okay, so first I'll give you one thing. What is the difference between class versus object? Obviously, a class is a blueprint or template for creating objects. It defines the property like attributes and behaviors, like it's also called the methods that is object will have. Okay, what is object? So an object is an instance of a class with actual value assigned to its attribute. Okay, it's represent a real world entity and allows the interaction with the class method. Okay, don't worry, I'll give you the example with codes. Okay, let's head back to the code editors. Okay, first I will create a one file named main.py. Okay, so simply create one class. CLA class person. This is okay. I'll talk about that one as well. This is the instructor. This is called the constructor functions. Self.name equal name. Okay, name. Self.name equal name. Okay, I need to accept that one through the parameters. Def display. Display self print self.name equal person and put my name Imran. Okay, simply call it. Okay, that's it. v.display Python main.py. Let's give me the Imran, right? So okay, we already know that this is called the class. Okay, this is the complete blueprint for creating object, and okay, through this we are creating an objects. I think you have a great idea about what does means the object. Okay, let's head back to the presentations. Okay, after that we have one thing. So what is class variables versus instance variable? What does it means by the class variable? A class variable is a share among all instances of a class. Okay, it is defined at the class level and remain the same across all objects unless modified at the class level. Okay, what about the instance variables? Okay, an instance variable is a specific to each object. It's defined inside the init method and hold the unique data for each instance. Okay, I'll give the example in code as well, don't worry. So okay, so for okay, let's take it as a demonstration, don't worry. For the instance variables, when I define a variable in there, okay, simply age is equal 10. This is called the class variable. This is called the class variable. Okay, when we're defining it, this is called the instance. This is called the instance variable. Okay, variable. This is called the instance variable. Okay, when we create an object, we only get that name when we are instantiating it with this object. Okay, we can also access it anytime. Okay, so you can simply print person dot age. Okay, it will give you that one 10. So okay, anytime you can access it. This is called the class. This is called the class variable, and that one is called the instance variable, but you cannot access like that way. Okay, you can access the names. Okay, you should give it the undefined, or I think you got the questions. Okay, you have a complete idea about it. What are the class variables? Sorry, what are the class variable and what are the instance variables? Okay, and then another one, the inits. Okay, what's the difference between init versus self? Okay, the init, this is the constructor methods. As I said earlier, in Python it's automatically called when an object is created. Okay, it's initialize the object's attribute. Okay, what about the self? Okay, the self parameter represent the instance of the class and allow access to the its attribute and method. Okay, it must be the first parameter in any instance method. Okay, I'll give you an example. I'll show you through code as well. Okay, this is called the constructor. Okay, when you're instantiating the objects, it will automatically called. Okay, and also be initialized as well, initialize the variable. That's why it's called the constructor functions. At the same time, we have a self. Okay, self means, okay, this is a this is instance method, because we are accepting the self as a first parameter in there. Okay, you can only call, okay, you can only call it there. It's also the origin class allow access to its attributes and method. You can access its method, this person's attributes and method. Okay, you can literally access the attributes and method of its class through self. I think you got the idea about the self versus init. Okay, let's talk about the instance method. Okay, what's the difference between instance methods and then class method? After that, the starting methods. Okay, an instance methods operates on an instance of a class. Okay, and can access or modify instance attributes. It records self as first parameter. Okay, when any methods get the self as a first parameter, it will be called the instance method. Okay, what's about the class methods? Okay, what about the class method? So a class method operates on the class itself. Okay, not instance. It takes CLS as the first parameter and modify the class level attributes. Okay, what about the starting method? A starting method does not depend on instance or a class attribute. It behaves like a regular function inside a class, but it's include for a logical grouping. Okay, I'll give you example. I'll give you the example of each of those things. Don't worry. Okay, let's talk about the instance method as well. Okay, I'll completely delete it. I'll create a function called char. Okay, class char. Okay, char. I'm simply defining. Okay, let's define the constructor functions. Okay, first I'll get a self as the first parameter, and I'll get self as the first parameter, and then I'll get a bunch of parameters, well, names. Okay, like brands, and then models. Okay, simply create the instance variable self dot brand equal brand, and self dot models equal model. Okay, and after that we will define a first I will define a instance method. Okay, so in all the time instance method get the self as the first parameter. Okay, simply get model. Okay, get model. It will return the model. Okay, it will simply return the self dot model. Okay, when I instantiate an object, okay, c equal char. So I need to provide the two argument. First one is brand and another one what is a model. Okay, so I'll provide Toyota. So Toyota. This piece is slow. I'm sorry for that. For the model, I'm providing Corla. Okay. Now we need to get the model. Okay, first I need to get them as c dot get model. Okay, get model method. Okay. Sorry, it will be model. I'm so sorry. I know it will give you that. It's giving me Corla. Okay, This is called the instance. This is called what? This is called the instance method. Okay, let's talk about the let's talk about what this is called, the class method. Okay, first I'll define one variable, is name. Name is Tesla. So I can literally change it. Okay, I can literally change it. First of all, I need to use one decorator names class method. After that, I'll define the name. Okay, name should be anything. So okay, since variable, well, I will get a CLS, and it will provide I can simply provide one name. So okay, I can simply provide the name. So slow. CLS dot name equal name. Okay, I can simply change it and finally access it. Okay, so I can simply change the name. Okay, c dot, okay, I don't need to instantiate it. Okay, car dot change variable equal car dot change variable equal, I simply provide Tesla to Honda. I can simply print. Okay, I can print car dot name. Okay, I want to get it. Let's give me Honda, because I can successfully change the variable. This is the class variable. I can successfully change the class variable through what class method. Okay, let's talk about the starting methods. Okay, this is the final one, starting method. Okay, names. Okay, I can put, sorry, I can put anything. Static func equal to return name the static functions. Okay, you can simply call it static func. Okay, how does it feel? Now it's giving the static function. I think let's actually get the idea about the class method, starting method, and the class variable and static variable, and then instance method as well. Okay, let's talk about let's talk about the four pillars. Okay, let's talk about the four pillars of OPS, means object oriented programs. Okay, it has the first is encapsulations. Okay, what does it mean by the encapsulation? Encapsulation is the process of binding data and methods that operate on the data within a single unit class. Okay, it restricts direct access to the some details of an object. Okay, and ensure the control that access using getter and setter methods. Okay, okay, no worries. Okay, let's create in one function called it. Okay, class means encapsulation. Okay, then that's I'm going to create the def functions in an initialize init function. Okay, first self and then amount. First I'll create account balance. Okay, balance in that self dot account equal account. Okay, self dot balance balance equal balance. Okay, this means like this one, it's create a private instance variable. Okay, after that, if I want to get balance, set balance. Okay, first dev set balance balance self amount you and amount. Okay, amount, it will be returned, sorry, it's not gonna return anything. So okay, what self dot balance plus equal amount. Okay, amount. Okay, finally it return the amount, return the balance. Okay, div does return balance. Okay, get balance blnc balance equal self. Okay, finally returning the balance blnc balance. I need to use self, by the way, sorry. Self dot get balance, self dot balance. Now I can create, now I will instantiate the encapsulation class. Okay, encapsulation equal to encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation, I'll put the account number is 1234 1234. Okay, balance is 500, right? Now I need to set the balance first. Now I need to get the balance. Okay, print get print encapsulation dot get balance. Let's give me 500. That's great. Now I will set the balance. Okay, enc dot set balance equal 500 plus. Okay, now I need to get it. Let's give me 1000. That's absolutely great. If I want to access the balance variables, how does it feel? Give me to access print. I want to access the variable balance. Is this possible to access it? Okay, let's see. And see, oops, computer is so slow. I'm sorry for the slow the computer. enc dot balance. Just give me error. Okay, encapsulation object no attributes balance. Did you mean get a balance? Okay. If I want to access account, is this possible? Yes. Account. You can access the account, and it also give you the account below, but you can't access the private variable. This is called the encapsulations. I think you got the idea about the encapsulations. Okay, example. Okay, let's talk about the inheritance. Okay, inheritance, what does it mean by the inheritance? Inheritance allows a class, this is called the child, to reuse and extend the properties and method of another class. This is called the parent. You can literally inherit some method and property from parent class to the child class. It helps in code reusability and hierarchical relationships. Okay, let's head back to the code and I'll give the example about the inheritance. Okay, class inheritance. We could simply define a function names. Okay, first we get name first. I will I will use one constructor variable, simply returning. Okay, I think return any below names. Okay, name. Okay, self. I can simply return name. This is first class. Okay, now I want to inherit. Okay, I can put it parent as well. parent. No, I'm the child. Okay, plus child. Sorry, within child I wanna inherit the parent. Okay, this is the syntax for inheriting in Python. Okay, dev. Okay, dev anything self. Okay, oops, I'm so sorry for my slowness of computer. First, simply pass. I can't use it. Also, we don't use anything, but okay. C equal child. Okay, child. Print C dot what I can easily access the method name because I'm inherit the parent. I'm inherit the name method from the parent class to the child class. I think you got the idea about it. Okay, this is first. Okay, and that one is called the single inheritance. Okay, let's talk about the multiple inheritance. Okay, multiple inheritance. Okay, I'm creating the a class a equal and def a method method method. Okay, then self print method 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 a. Okay, class b def b method 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 self print. I can simply not return. I'll simply return it. Okay, oops, return method method. I'm sorry again, I'm so sorry. I apologize about the slowness of my PC. Method a return method method b. Okay, now I want to inherit the class a and b to the class c, and I want to inherit the a and b. Simply pass it. Okay, c equal c print. I can literally access method a and then method b and method a and method b. This is called the multi-level. Sorry, yes, this is called the multi-level inheritance. Okay, let's talk about the no, so this is called the multiple inheritance. Let's talk about the multi-level inheritance. Okay, multiple inheritance is like, okay, I'm creating one class grandchild. Okay, grandparent equal. Okay, it's not defining one function called, okay, grandparent parent. I'll take self as the first parameters and simply return the method grandparent. Okay, and this is the first class. Okay, and the class, it will be the parent, parent. It will inherit the grandparent. Okay, sorry, grandparent. Now what? Def parent method parent method equal, I will take the self and return parent method method. Okay, finally I'll create the child method sorry class. Okay, class child. Within child, I will inherit the parent. Now def child parent. Okay, child method, by the way, self, and so we simply return the child method. I'm sorry. Okay, simply instantiate the C class. Well, child. Okay, child. Okay, now I can access grandparent. I can access grandparent method, parent method, and even the child method as well. Okay, I'll show you how. Print g dot grandparent, this is the first method, and c dot parent method, and third one is child method. Okay, third one is a what? Child method. I'm sorry, I'm apologize about the slowing. I'm literally so sorry. I'm apologize from bottom of my heart for slowness from my PC. child method. Okay, so let's print it. Okay, what, I'm sorry, make a mistake for the name. Just give me the grandparents, parent method and child methods. Okay, we're successfully done with what? We're successfully done with the multi-level inheritance. Okay, now let's talk about the another call. This is called the polymorphism. Okay, polymorphism allow the different classes to have the same method. Names different, the implement. Okay, obviously I'll give you a great example about it. Okay, let's try to understand the definition of polymorphism. What does it mean? Okay, let's assume you have one class in the same, obviously the same method names, but different implementation of the methods. It helps the writing flexible and extensible codes. Okay, I'll give you an example. Okay, create a polymorphism. Okay, create a class. Okay, let's create a class as a person. Okay, parent. Okay, I'll create an class animal. Okay, I'll create a class. Sorry, I'll create a div. It will be speak. Okay, for now the self return animal. Okay, animal speak animal. Okay, class dog. Okay, def speak. Okay, I'm sorry. This is self no return bark. Bark for what? Plus cat def speak self. Okay, now I'm returning meal. I don't know what will be the correct spelling for meal. Yeah, so okay, I think that one is correct. Okay, now I'll create a function def print speak. I'll create a function. So I'll create a class instance. Okay, I can put it function as well, don't worry. Okay, within that I'll simply call it. I'll simply print func dot speak. Okay, for the different instance. Okay, first I will instantiate the animal first. I'll create instantiation equal animal. Okay, animal. Okay, now I will print speak. I will provide a. Let's see. Let's give me animal. That's absolutely great. Okay, now I want to instantiate for what? D doc. Okay, print speak, and I'll provide the D. Can you guess? Yes, it's give me bark. Okay, for what? Cat. Okay, print speak. Now it's giving C. Yes, I'm successfully complete the polymorphism. Okay, I think you got the idea about it. So obviously the definition says that the polymorphism allows the different classes to have the same method. Okay, I have 3 different classes. One is animal, another second one is dog, and third one is class. Okay, everyone has the same method, speak. Okay, implemented. Everyone has the same methods names but different implementation. Okay, I'm implementing differently. For the dog I return the bark. For the cat I'm return the mew. For the animal I'm simply return the animals. Okay, It helps. Why we need a polymorphism? It helps in writing flexible and extensible codes. I think you got the idea. Okay, let's talk about abstraction. Okay, what does it mean? Abstraction hides the implementation details and expose only the essential feature of an object. Okay, it is achieved using abstract class and interfaces. Okay, let's talk about abstraction method. Okay, first we need to import one modules from abg import abg and abstract method. Okay, abstract method. Okay, okay, let's create one abstract class as well. Okay, class abstract class. Okay, abstract class. Okay, I'm creating one abstract class. Okay, class is equal to person. Okay, it will inherit abc. It will inherit from abc, and then okay, now I need to use the decorator abstract method. Okay, after that I'll simply define the define the speak. I will define a speak method. Okay, I don't implement it. Okay, so according to the definition, abstraction hides the implementation details. Okay, it will literally hides the implementation details. What I did in here, I'll simply pass. Okay, I'll simply pass it. Okay, now I'll create one class. I'll simply name it child. Okay, class. Again, I'm literally apologize for the slowing my face. I'm literally sorry from bottom of my heart. So I don't know what is gonna happenings in my face. Class. So class, I'm using child. Within that I'll inherit the persons. Okay, person. Now what I did here, so I can literally have speak. Okay, now I want to implement it there. Okay, self. Okay, implement there. Okay, I'm literally return hello world. Okay, SQL child. Okay, child. Okay, and simply print the c dot speak. Okay, simply c dot speak. Okay, can you guys anything? Now it's give me hello world. Okay, what does it mean there? Okay, we haven't implemented full function. Okay, we are literally hides the implementation of the methods in abstract class. How do we inherit the person in the child class? We are literally implemented it. Okay, in our own way. This is called abstraction. I think you have a great idea about it. Okay, let's talk about the method overridings. Okay, method overriding versus super. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, method overriding allows a child class to provide a different implementation of a methods. Okay, that is already defined. It's in a parent class. Okay, that's already defined in its parent class. Okay, the overriding method in the child class must have the same name and the same parameter as the parent class. Okay, what I did? Okay, overriding, we can literally this is the things, right? Okay, no, don't worry, I'll create the complete function of the function. Okay, class, I'll create a car. Okay, yes, I'll create a car. No, I'll create a name persons. Okay, dev. Okay, simply return the names. Okay, names, self. I'm returning hello. Well, I inherit in child class names. I'm returning hello. Okay, don't worry, this is syntax error. Class return. Okay, return the hello class in child equal person. Okay, person, within that dev names. Okay, self. I'm returning the different things in there. Okay, defining the different things. Okay, name Karim. Okay, c equal child. Okay, print c dot name. It's give me Karim's. Okay, this is, I'm completely override the method. Okay, after inherits, I completely override the method names. Okay, that one returning hello. Now I'm returning the Karim. So this is completely different. I think you got the idea about the overriding the methods. Okay, let's talk about the super keywords. Okay, what does it mean? So okay, I can literally call that one as well in there. So they have a super keywords. Okay, super okay, dot what name. Okay, I think I got it. So if I try to paint it there, what do you get? Can you guess? Just give me the columns and name person method bound. Okay, now that one is, I need to in curly brace. I need to open it in curly braces. Okay, so okay, I'm sorry. Super dot name method, super dot name method, super dot name and columns. Okay, let's see. Forget the comma. Oops, it will be current. Now give me hello current. So what I did in there, so this is the our output formattings for this. This is output formatting, so we need to write within output formatting. Super, what does it mean by the super? It represent the person. Okay, super is representing the person class. Okay, within a person. Okay, I have a name. Yes, I have a name. I can literally call that methods. That's it. After that, it's give me the hello. So it will simply replace that one with what? Simply that one with hello. I think you're successful. I think you got the idea about it. So about the use case of super keyword. Okay, so I think we're successfully done with the OPS concept in object-oriented programming. So okay, OPS. So I've tried to do the best to teach you how, obviously how you are taking about it, I don't know. So okay, please, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and support my work. So have a nice day and see you soon. Bye. Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is chapter 8 of Python complete course. In this chapter we are going to be discussing about the file handling in Python. So let's get started. What does it mean by the handling the file in Python? Okay, file handling in Python allows the reading, writing and managing files on the systems. Okay, Python provides some building function for working with the different file types like txt, csv and JSON file. Okay, this guides with cover essential file operation and best practices as well. So let's get started. So I'll head back to my code editors and create the files. Names main.py. Okay, at the same time I want to create another txt files. Okay, I want to create another file named imran.txt. Okay, and I'll put some content in there. Okay, this is imran.txt file. That's it. Now okay, I want to, first of all, I want to read the imran.txt file in there. So this is a syntax. Okay, file equal, this is syntax for opening file. You have to use the open keyword and then provide the name of the file. Okay, I want to provide the name of the file is imran.txt, and then the second parameter will be the mode. Okay, which mode you want to open the file? Okay, let's assume I want to open the file for reading, so that's why it will be the write mode. Okay, now okay, but I want to get the content of file. First, how can I get the content of files? Okay, file.read. Okay, it has a one function called read. So now I can simply print it out there. Content, I can simply print out the content. Okay, now it's giving me the printer. Imran is imran.txt file. This is imran.txt file. Okay, that's it. Now I can also write the file as well. So okay, if I want to write something to that files, so first w, and then this is the write mode. Okay, file dot write, write, write. Okay, this is updated file. Okay, sorry, content is not exist, by the way. Updated file. Okay, now check it out there. Now this file has been updated, so make sure you have to close the file dot close. Okay, So okay, result will be same. Result will be same. So okay, file is updated. Now how can I append the file? Because when I update, okay, when I write another thing instead of this update file, this is second time updating file. Okay, and like, so once again, so now the first version is replaced. Okay, how can I append? Don't worry, you can simply use the one a, and I can append the things with previous content. Okay, now I'm sorry, now I'm appending content. Okay, so let's check it out there. Now it's give me the appending content. So if you want, okay, now it's pretty boring, so I want to I need to create the new line. No, it's also create the new line as well as, okay, now it's not creating new line. Okay, I'll show you how you can create the new lines as well. So rights, yes, this is the rights. You need to put the array. Within array, I want to create the line 3. Within that, I need to provide that right. Okay, so it will be right lines. I'm so sorry, it will be right lines. Okay, now successfully done with that. So now it give me line 1, line 3, line 2, and line 5. So I think you got the idea about it, what are the lines. Okay, we have one color syntax. So all the times, okay, all the times we are using file.close, we can simply do without using that one, we can use the with opens and simply provide the name of the file. Okay, the my imran.txt. sorry, I forget to put the I, and then the mode. Okay, I simply provide R for the writing modes. Okay, and what, okay, and for file. Okay, within that, sorry, I need to put the alias as okay, and then what will be, okay, now I can access the file. Okay, right, content equals file dot read line, read line. Okay, read line, I can read only one line. That means first when I use it, it will only give me the line 3. Okay, so I can update it line 1, line 2, and line 3. Okay, it will only give me the line 1s. Okay, see how, print content. Okay, or I can give it some meaningful names. Is line 1, and I also put the name in the print, line 1. Okay, let's see, it give me the line 1. Okay, if I want to get the line 2, again I need to create the variable line 2. Okay, and the file dot read line. Now I can print it out, line 2. It's given the line 2. If I want to read the line 3, I need to provide, okay, don't worry, I will give you the one shortest syntax. So now I'm giving the idea how you can read the file. So now file dot read line, okay, and line 3. Can you guess? It give me line 3, line 1, line 2, and line 3. Okay, now I want to get all the lines. How can I do that? Don't worry, it will be 5. Okay, so I simply put some meaningful names. Lines equals read dot line, read line. Okay, read lines, file dot read lines. Okay, now I can simply run a loop because that one is iterable things. For line in lines, simply print. Okay, I'll close first, I'll delete that one. Simply print line. Wait, okay, again it's spelling. This is simple typo, don't worry. Now it's successfully given the line 1, line 2 and line 3, because at the same time also giving the new line as well. So I don't want the new line, so I can strip it. So strip, with the help of a strip I can simply remove. Now it's giving me pretty styling way, so I want this. This is all about the reading and writing file with txt file. Okay, this is all about the txt file. Okay, let's talk about what? Let's talk about the csv file. How can I read and write the csv file? Okay, now first of all, I have already written one csv file. Okay, in my downloads. Now profile.csv. okay, those are the value. Now so I need to import one, because import csv. okay, again same syntax with open, name of the file. Okay, this is profile.csv, profile.csv, and the mode, you want to writing mode as file. Okay, within that, so okay, what content equal what? Sorry, it will be csv dot reader. Okay, within the reader I need to put what? Please tell me. I need to put file. I think you guys it. For row equal, for row in content. Okay, content. I can simply print the row. It's giving all the row, name, email, names, blah 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 blah. So what about, how can I, obviously I can literally append the things inside a open.csv file. Okay, this is for writing, sorry, this is for reading. I can also now this is a, now I will write within a csv file. Okay, wait, opened. Okay, I'll open it. So in a writing mode, the name of the file, so what is the name of the file? Is profile.csv. okay, this means the comma separated below. Now forward the mode. Okay, I want to write as file. Okay, now what's okay, writer equal again csv dot writer file writer dot what? Write rows. Okay, I have a what, so I can simply write anything for my name. I can put anything, so right name Kareem at the rate gmail.coms, and finally phone number. Okay, for username, I'll provide the username is right, anything I want. So first of all I need to provide the row names. Okay, name, sorry, it will be name, email, username. Okay, username, and now I want to provide the value. Name will be Imran, email will be Imran at the right gmail.com's, username is Imran. As simple as that. Okay, now I simply run it. If we check the csv file, can you guess anything? Yes, it's giving what? It's giving me in this is the row, and this is the first row, and there is the second row. Now we can successfully read and write the file from csv file. Okay, let's talk about what? Let's talk about the JSON. Okay, now I will create one simple file's name, JSON profile.json. Okay, Now create in just index name Imran, email imran.contact@gmail.coms. okay, and then username equal Imran. Okay, I forgot to put the comma. Let's perfect. Now the final provide phone phone equal 01860. okay, now I have successfully created profile.json files. Now head back to the main.py file. Okay, okay, so get rid out everything. Now I want to open, sorry, I import the JSON. okay, like this one with open. okay, why you need open? Because when using the with open syntax, we don't need to close the file. That's the simplest things. okay, profile dot json. The same time I want to open in a write mode. okay, for write mode as a file. content equal json.dump. you need to use dump. okay, into dumps. within dumps I need to provide what? I need to provide file. It will be dump, so I need to provide first data. okay, so sorry, dump. If I want to read the file, also it will be load. okay, it will be load and provide the file name. That's it. I can simply print the content. I think you got the idea. Now it's giving me this just an object name, email, username, and phone. okay, what about the writing file? okay, you can also write the file as well. Same thing that with opens. Now I need to provide the file name. Is profile.json and the mode. okay, I will provide the mode is write. okay, now provide the alias is file. That's it. I want to write it, and I will write within files. okay, json dot what? json dot dumps. okay, within dumps I want to provide first object. I need to provide one object as well. okay, let's create one data object. Data equal to be name Imran. So I can put anything, so I'm obsessed with my name. sorry, Kareem. email equal kareem@gmail.coms. okay, username will be Kareem's, and finally I provide the phone number equal 0186080. That's it. okay, now I'm going to provide data and file. okay, I need to provide the indent for the indenting. I provide the 4. okay, let's see how does it work or not. It's giving me 1. okay, dumps taken on for our functional argument, but 2 functional arguments. okay, I need to change dump to dumps to dump. okay, I think that one's right. Yes, you see, now we're successfully done. So I think we're successfully done with the JSON as well. So okay, let's how you can handle the exception in the in file handlings. okay, let's talk about more requests. okay, first I'm going to use try. within try I'll use with open. okay, I now I know that I have a imran.txt file is exist, but I want to put something which doesn't exist in my directory, right? So I'll provide the kareem.txt only for one reason, because I want to show the error for read. okay, as a file print. okay, content sorry, not const, by the way. Content equal file dot read line. Okay, and simply print it. Okay, simply print it. Print content. Simply print content. Now I can easily. What does it mean? Okay, don't worry. So I will accept. Okay. Accept. Okay. File not found, file not exist, or file not found, or file not exist, or not exist. Print file is not exist. It will give a file is not exist because the real file is not exist. .txt as a file. Okay, it's giving me no such file or directory. Current is not no such file or directory. .txt. So okay, no, why it's not giving me file not found or file not found? Okay, let's give me a file is not exist. Let's give me a file. Now we have successfully handled the exception in there. So okay, what about the permission error? You can also provide the permission error. Accept permission error. Okay, accept the permission error. Print permission denied. Okay, now we can also handle all error to one things. Okay, exception equal to exception e as a e. Okay, I can print any error. Okay, I can print any error occurred. Doubles error occurred. Double C-U-R-E, error occurred. E, it will be E. File doesn't exist. Okay, so it will handle because we have specific things in there. So when we remove it, it will give what? To occur error also has no such file or directory txt. Okay, error occurred. I think we're successfully done with everything about the file handling. So if you enjoy this tutorial, please subscribe to my channels, and also or if you want to support my works, please hit the subscribe button. At the same time, click the bell icon for getting the fast notification from my channel. So have a nice day. See you soon. Bye. Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is the chapter 9 of Python complete course. In this chapter we are going to be discussing about the exception handling in Python. So let's get started. What is exception handling in Python? So basically exception handling is a mechanism in programming that allows a program to detect and handle random errors like exception. Also, it's also called the exception, on we call the errors. Okay, the preventing crashes and ensuring a smooth execution of your programs. Okay, it involves using construct like try, except, finally, and raise to catch, manage, and respond to the errors efficiently. Okay, the types of error. Okay, how many types of error is available? Okay, so number one is syntax error, second is a type error, third one is a name error, and fourth one is index error, fifth one is key error, and sixth one is value error, seventh is zero division error. Okay, eighth is attribute error. Okay, finally is an import error. Okay, I will give you I will show you everything in details one by one. Okay, let's start with the syntax error. Okay, first, okay, create file name main.py. Okay, after creating it, so okay, first syntax error. Okay, let's say I'm trying to print one variables. Okay, print without the closing and trying to print the hello. If I try to print it, this is giving me the syntax error because this is obviously this is not a proper way of printing some things in Python. So that's why this is called the syntax error. So what you have to use it, you need to use we need to close the bracket. This is called the syntax error. Okay, when you miss any syntax in Python, it will raise an error named syntax error. Okay, now let's talk about the second error is type error. Okay, what does it mean by the type error? So okay, second one is type error. Okay, now I want to print the type of string 1 2 3 plus type of integer. Is this possible? Sorry, and put 10. So this is the type of a string and that one is type of integer. So if when I try to sum up those things, that will raise an error because this is called the type error. Now this give me the type error because can only concatenate string, not into a string, not into string. I think you got the idea about the type error as well. Okay, so let's talk about the name error. Okay, when I try to without defining any variable, when I try to access it, it will raise name error error. It's giving what? It's giving name error because x is not defined. Without defining x, when you try to print something, it will raise an error that is called the name error. Okay, what is next? That one is index error. Okay, let's assume I have a okay, now I want to create a list. Within that list I'll put 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, I have a 4 index in there, 0 1 2 3 and 4. If I try to access, okay, print list. Okay, within a list I want to access what? Within list I want to access the 5th. Is this possible? See, okay, that one's give me the index error because this is out of range. Okay, that is called the index error. Okay, what after the index error, that one is a key error. Okay, I have one dictionary, dict equals name Imran, email something, print the date. First I will print the date. Okay, let's give me name Imran and email something. Okay, if I try to access the name, if I try to access same Imran, let's give me perfect. So I trying to access something who's not exist. So like username. Now it's giving the error. The key error is username key error. Okay, that means it giving us the direction that that particular key is not exist on that dictionary. I think you got the result. After that what is next? Okay, that one is a value error. Okay, what does it mean by the value error? Okay, let's define a value error. Value errors. Okay, value error int as a abc. Does it feel it will give me the value error because obviously I'm trying to typecast the one, obviously alphabetic numbers, alphabetic character into number. That's not gonna possible too. That's why it will raise the value error. Okay, what is next? And after that, the zero division error. We're not trying to zero division error. Okay, result equal what? Result equal 10 divided by 0. Print. Now it will give me what? Now it will give me result will give me zero division error. I think you also get the idea about the zero division error. Okay, now what is next after the zero division error? That is called attribute error. Okay, a number equal 10. Print number dot append. I try to append the 6. It's giving the attributor because the number doesn't always number objects. Supposedly this is called the integer type. The integer object has no attribute called append. Okay, and then what is next? That one's the input error. Okay, I'm trying to import something, so okay, I'm trying to import something. Import something. Okay, something. I try to print it. Something. Okay, this is a module error. Okay, no module names input. Okay, this is called the input error. Okay, this I think I got that about it. So we're successfully done with the input. We're successfully done with the types error. Okay, what is next? Okay, finally an else block. Okay, I'll show you how you can use the finally and else block. Okay, so now I want to use the try. Within try, okay, I have a number. Okay, number is divided by number is 10. Okay, I have excerpt. So I have excerpt is called the zero division error. Zero division error. Or it will be try to do the zero division error. I want to print the zero division error. Zero division error. Okay, and after that, in the else, try to print in the else block when we haven't raised any kind of error. So now I will print the number. Okay, I can literally print the number. I can literally print the numbers. Okay, now it's giving me print the number in the else block when except. So basically try is not to raise any kind of error, so we'll literally print it that number. That's it. And finally, point we need a finally. Okay, I'll give an example with the finally as well. So when I try to use divided by 0, what can you guess? So it will give you what? It will give you zero division error. Okay, because at the time else is ignored because the zero division is raised an error. I think you successfully got an idea about the excerpt and class. Okay, now I will give you the real world example with try and excerpt. Okay, excerpt. Okay, now I have a finally, sorry, else and finally. Okay, I have 4 things. Okay, now try. Didn't try. Okay, now I want to create one file name data.txt. This is data.txt. Okay, that's absolutely great. First I want to show you the rest. Okay, with open data.txt, I want to open it in a write mode as a file. Okay, now I have a content equals file dot read line, right? File dot read line. Okay, when file doesn't exist, file not found error. When the file is not found, it will raise an error. Okay, print file is not found. Okay, the else I will, in the else block I will print it. Will print the content. I will print the content in finally. Within finally block, what did I do? So in print, when everything is done, it will okay, successfully completed. It will obviously final block is used to clean up your programs. That's it. Successfully successfully completed. Successfully completed. Okay, let's see now for me. So okay, data. I have made some toughy here because at that time it will show you file is not. Okay, file is not found and successfully completed. Successfully completed means program is successfully completed. Now I will read the files. Okay, when I read the file, this is the data text. Okay, when it won't raise any kind of error, it will be ignored. This block of code will be ignored, and it will jump into the else block, and it will show, and it will print the lines. I think you got the idea about it. So, okay, after that, what is after? Okay, we are successfully done the final and else block. Okay, creating custom exception. Okay, and okay, finally raise a custom exception. Okay, how can we raise a custom exception as well? So we can raise a custom exception as well. Okay, in a function, I'll define a function called the balance, bln c balance equal. Within a balance, I will get the amount. Sorry, I'll put the name something withdraw. Within withdraw, I will accept two parameter. First one is balance. Sorry, I don't know balance. Well, amount. Okay, amount. Within amount, I have a balance. Okay, balance equal 10. Let's assume balance equal 10. If balance, okay, amount is less than amount. Okay, amount is okay. Amount is greater than balance. I'll raised and error, value error, raised and value error will be okay. Insufficient balance, BLN, sorry, BLNC insufficient balance. Okay, how can I raise? How can I accept this one? Okay, and again I need to use try catch. You can try. I will call the withdraw function. Withdraw. Within withdraw, I need to use accept. Okay, so yes, accept. I will accept the value error. When I get the value error, I simply print it. Okay, print value error. Okay, value error. I think got it. Okay, when we get it, when you successfully get the value error, I can simply print that one as well. Okay, as E. Okay, you can print the E. For the formatting, the output will simply put F. Okay, that's within a withdraw method. When I pass the obviously balance is less than 10. When I try to access the 12, or can you guess what you get? The value error insufficient balance. Okay, value error insufficient balance. Okay, this is called the custom. This is called what? This is called the raising the custom error. Okay, let's create a custom error as well. Class equal. Oh, okay, how can I create a custom error as well? So we can create a custom negative number error equal. I will get a number. Okay, I can first accept. Sorry, it will be class number exception. I will get exception. Okay, within init function. Okay, that I'll define the init function. Okay, init, within the init function I will get self as the first parameter and second as the message. Okay, message equal, I'll provide the default, the default parameters will be negative error. Okay, negative error, and simply put, okay, self dot message message equal message. Okay, and when I call the super keyword, okay, super dot init, within I'm super dot init and self dot message. Okay, self dot message. I'm creating the customer error. Okay, that's it, negative error. Okay, now I will create that function check number equal, I will get the number when if number is less than 0, so less than 0 I will raise an error. Okay, raise negative, I'll raise the negative error. Okay, it says the negative error. Let's say negative error. I don't need to put anything there, so negative errors. Okay, I'll raise a negative error. Okay, now I need to use the try catch block. Try and check check number. Okay, within the check number, enterprise provide the -10. Let's assume. So okay, -19. I'll excerpt it. Excerpt negative number error as a E. Okay, now I will print that number. Okay, error occurred. Error occurred. Oops, U or E, the error occurred equal E. Okay, let's see. How can you guess? Can you guess anything there? Oh, error occurred because negative error. When you pass the negative number, it will raise an error. Okay, it will raising an error because this is called the customer. I think we're successfully done with our error handling. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to support my work. So see you soon in the next tutorial. Bye. Hello and welcome to my channel Code with Imran 2.0. This is the chapter 10 of Python complete course. In this chapter we are going to be discussing about the iterator, generator and decorator. So let's get started. What does it mean by the iterator versus generator versus decorator? Okay, what is iterator? So say an iterator is an object that allows traversal through all the elements in a collection one at a time. Okay, I have example. Don't worry, I'll make you understand through example one by one. So okay, first I will create a class. Simply create a class my iterator, and create the constructor functions. Need self, and I will accept the two parameter. First one is start, second one is end. Okay, let's define the instance variable. Start equal start self and end equal end. Now we'll use the one magic function called the magic dunder and iterate and iter. Okay, within that I will return the instance. Within that function I will only return the self means the instance of a class. That's it. In the next function, so def, I will use another dunder function named next. Okay, with the next again I will accept the one parameter named self. Okay, first I will check the validation if self.start is less than or equal, self.start is greater than or equal self.end. When I raise the end, I'll simply raise an error. Raised an error. So okay, it will be below error. And so it will be stop iteration. I'll stop iteration error on the other ends. What I'll do, I'll simply return one by one. Okay, so let's see how can I do that. Value equal start self.start. Okay, self.start. Now I'll self.start plus equal 1. Then I will increase one by one and finally return the value. Okay, now I will instantiate the class. So my iterator equal my iterator. It will accept the two arguments. First one is start and second one is end. Okay, let's provide those. First I will provide start to end. Okay, now I can iterate through it. Item in my iterator. Okay, my iterator. Now I can simply print each of those one by one to item. Let's see. Okay, exit. Okay, python main.py. Let's give me 10, right? From 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this is the one thing. Now we can also run some sort of things, right? Fine. If item item equal 5, I will simply break the things. I can simply break. Okay, print it out then, and print item. When I reach the 4, it will simply print, it will break the thing. You can also use the continue to skip the current iteration, so you can also do that when I continue. Okay, that means I want to skip the 5. I mean, what? It's also giving the 5 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, one by one. So okay, let's talk about the generator. What does it mean by the generator? Okay, what is generator? So a generator is a special function that returns an iterator using old. Unlike the regular function, it remembers its state between function calls. Okay, I'll give you an example of that one as well, so don't worry. So I'll create my generator def. I'll create a function def. It's generator. Okay, within that I will return, sorry, I will yield one by one. Yield this keyword for, obviously this is the keyword for returning generator. That's it. 1, yield 2, okay, 2 3 4 5 and 6. So okay, gen equal generator. Okay, then I can iterate through the gen, because now gen is iterable. Gen item, sorry, item in gen. Okay, within that I simply print the item one by one item. Okay, let's see how does it, how can I do that? Okay, let's give me one by one. I can also simplify the process with the while loops. How can I do that? Don't worry, I will accept the two things. One is start, another one is end. Okay, now I will define the two local variables. Low is start and high is low or high is end. Okay, I'll now create the while loop. While low is greater than equal to high, is greater than equal to high. I'll simply yield what? I'll simply yield low. You get it correct. Okay, and I will increase the low one by one. Low plus equal 1. So okay, now I need to pass the two parameter. Number is start 1 and number 2 is 11. Okay, let's see. Yes, what? Why is not showing anything? Low is 1 by 1. Okay, I'm going to start is low and 1 by 1. Okay, when low is greater than equal, okay, low is when low is less than equal. No, it's giving me there. Okay, my condition was false, so that's why when low is less than high. So the low is less than high, and then okay, I have to so I have defined the two local variable. Number one is low, another one is high. Within a low I'll assign start, and high, within a high I assign the end. Now I'm checking the low. It will keep until the low is less than high. When low, obviously when this condition is failed, it will return from that function, and I can iterate over gen. Okay, now 1 by 1. So now it's giving that one. Now it's giving me other things, right? Now 1 by 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this is a generator. But generator is obviously generator means that you can create the generator through the yield keyword in any functions. Okay, you can generate over an object one by one. So that's it. Okay, let's talk about the final things called the decorators. Okay, what does it mean by the decorators? Okay, okay, decorator are functions that modify the behavior of other functions or method. Okay, other property. This is the built-in. Okay, that one is the built-in decorator in Python that is used to define a method as a property, enabling it to be accessed like an attribute. Okay, okay, first I will create one class. Okay, I'll create one class called circle. Within that, okay, I will okay, now I'll define one constructor functions. sorry, it will be init. In first one is self and second one is radius. Okay, now I want to create the private instance variable which will be radius, sorry, radius equals to radius. Okay, now what I want to create one decorator at the right property. Okay, now it will convert the method into property. This is the decorator for. Okay, don't worry, I'll create the custom decorator as well. So now I'll try to understand the built-in property decorator in Python. So okay, I can literally use the radius. So now define the function is radius. Okay, then radius. Now I will accept the self function. I'll simply return it. Okay, self dot underscore radius. That's it. Now I want to create another functions. Okay, property. So okay, now it will be setter. When you want to put the setter, now you need to open. Now that one is converted into property. Okay, radius, this is the property name, and put the setter. Okay, put the setter. I'll say, okay, self. Okay, and I want to create, and I'm sorry. Okay, now defined, then again name will be same. Okay, name will be same. The radius, within that I will accept the self parameter. Now I'll create one doc string. Okay, setter for radius. Now if okay, I will accept the value as well. Value if value, sorry, it will be value is less than 0, then I will raise an error. Okay, raise the value error. I can simply put value negative value is not accepted. Negative value is not accepted. That's it. Okay, available is negative values cannot be accepted. Cannot be accepted. Okay, this look better. Now finally I will set the value. Self dot radius equal what? Values. So it will be singular. I think it's look better. Singular. Again, it will be singular. That's it. I'll create one function called the delete. Now we have one decorator for the delete as well at the right. Radius, that one is a property, radius dot delete, deleter. Okay, and then create a function div and radius. Okay, now I will accept the self. Now simply print it. Okay, print deleting. Now what I will simply delete it. Delete print dot what I will delete this one. Okay, simply delete self dot underscore radius. Okay, so underscore radius. Okay, that's the things. Now this is our radius function, start circular function. Okay, now I have created one radius. This will return the radius. Now I need to create another property. It will return the area of radius dev area equals self. Okay, now return 3.14 times radius. Okay, self dot, sorry, it will be self dot radius, self dot radius 2 times and 2. Okay, make sure I spell it correct. Return. Okay, that's it. Okay, first now I want to create the circle equal circle. That's it. Now I will provide the name circle. Okay, provide the radius 20. Now try to see, print the circle dot radius. What it will give you? It will give me 20. Now I have defined what? So I have defined a function, but I'm getting as a property. How cool is that, right? Now I can assign the value. So if I want to get the areas, you can also get it. Area. So I have misspelled something. That one is typo area. That one is typo area. I can print the area as well. Okay, that one is the area. How can I set the area as well? How can I set it? If you want to set the area, if you want to set it, so circle, okay, circle dot radius equal 30, right? For using 30. Now I'll get the different below. Okay, that one for the 20 and that one for the 30. So I think you're successfully getting what does it mean by this. Okay, now I can literally delete that one as well. I can literally delete it. Okay, I can literally delete that one. So, okay, now after that I can literally delete the circle. Okay, now I'll create the circle 2. That one is circle 1, that one is circle 2. Okay, circle 2 goes with the circle 40. Okay, circle 2 and delete circle 2 dot radius. Okay, sorry, circle is not different. It means circle. Okay, that one is namer. I'll talk about this later. Okay, that one is showing for that reasons. Okay, for printing it, I think you're successfully done. So if I try to print circle 1 dot area. Okay, that one that was gave that one. Okay, that obviously the circle 1 has given that 56.0 and third one is delete. Okay, that was successfully deleted everything. So I'm so happy to announce that we have successfully complete our decorator. Okay, oops, we have retained one thing, so I'll give you how we can create a custom decorator as well. So I'll show you that one as well. So okay, let's define one function is great. Okay, great, call return the hello. Okay, simply return it. Print great. Okay, great. If I want to print it out there, now it's giving them great. Okay, now I can do one more things. I will create my custom decorator at right. This is the signature for creating decorator. My decorator. After that I need to define a function def my decorator. Within that I will get that function. Okay, that function as a parameter. That means the grid as a parameter in there. Grid. Okay, grid. I cannot put as a name as well func as a func. Okay, now I need to define another function called it will be wrapper. Okay, wrapper within that. Okay, at the same time I am to return the wrapper as well. Return the wrapper. Okay, wrapper functions. After that, what I'll show, I'm printing. Okay, I'm printing something to there. I'm printing what? The wrapper. Okay, wrapper. I can also print it. Okay, I can also look at that one's returning. I can simply do the print in there for simplicity purpose. Print. Okay, print. I can call the function func. Okay, now if I want to see there's something, let's give me wrapper hello. Okay, none. Okay, don't. Okay, forget about the none for now. Then that one is this. I'm successfully done with what? It's actually done with the decorator. Okay, let's create some meaningful things. Okay, now I'm going to create one thing called the list, my list. Okay, my list equal 10 20 30 sorry 30 40 and 5. This is my random list. Okay, now I want to pass that list to the grid. Okay, I can literally pass it to the grid. Okay, now I want to pass it to the grid. My list within list I will accept that list. Okay, oh I can simply put it numbers. Okay, numbers. Okay, within that I'll create, okay, I'll create a one is for the odd number, and I'll separate the odd list and even list. Okay, first I will event list equal list filter. Okay, within a filter I will use lambda x clone x divided by 2 equal 0. Okay, it will be numbers. Okay, I'm separating that one is for the even. Let's for odd as well. Let's have separate the odd number as well. List or list equal list. Okay, and provide the filter at the same times. Within that I'll create the lambda and create okay, after that x clone x modulus 2 is not equal 0. Okay, no numbers. Okay, now it's give me what? It's give me 2 number. Print. Okay, I'll print it. I will print list 1. Sorry, even list and odd list. Great. Okay, now the wrapper one is called. Okay, that one is the wrapper one. That one is wrapper one is called. And now I have to pass the list from wrapper. Within wrapper, I will simply accept that list in my functions. Okay, within functions, I can I can put it anything you want. I can filter out the number based on the conditions with filter anonymous functions in Python. At the same time, I add at the same, so as like as before, I also follow the same syntax for odd, but tweak any conditions. Okay, now finally I'll print the even list and odd list. That's it. So when I print it out, then now it's giving me the wrapper for the first time. So and then give me the even list and then odd list. I think you're successfully done with our we're successfully done with our decorator, iterator and generator section. So please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed that tutorial, because I'm putting a lot more effort in my tutorial. So please subscribe to my channels and hit the subscribe button. I'm literally saying from bottom of my heart, please subscribe to my channel. At the same time, hit the bell icon for getting the first notification from my channel. So have a nice day. See you soon. Bye. Hello and welcome to my channel Code with Imran 2.0. This is the chapter 11 of Python complete course. In this chapter we are going to be discussing about the functional programming in Python. So let's get started. So what is higher order function in Python? So basically a higher order function is a function that can accept other function as an argument or return a function as a result. Okay, let's take a look with the example. Okay, first I will create a function. I'll define a function. Okay, this is I'm creating the higher order function. Okay, don't worry. Def apply function. I will accept the function and arguments. Okay, x. I'll simply return that function with, and I simply pass the argument and return the function. Simply pass x to that function. So, okay, now I'm going to create a function called def square square. Okay, square into x and simply times return 2 times x. Okay, Okay, let's create result equal call the apply function. Within apply function I'm passing the square, sorry, a square function, and provide the value is 10. Okay, now simply print the result. Okay, now it's giving me 1024. Okay, can you guess how does this work? So obviously this is the 2 times 2, 10 is 24. So when we are obviously when we're calling the apply function with a square, now I need to pass that function, okay, because the higher order function will accept another function as an argument. So that's why I need to pass the squared functions. Okay, simply I'm passing that one. At the same time I also providing the one below is 10. Okay, I'm providing the 10. Great. Now I'm simply so I'm simply returning the function. At the same time provide that argument to that function, because that one has received the one parameter. So when I print it down there, that one gave me that was giving me another function as well. So I can also do the other things as well. So even better, I can create another function. Okay, let's remove it. Items. Okay, let's define my list. Okay, I'll create a my list. Create 1 2 1 2 1 2 sorry 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so that's it. Now I need to create a higher function, higher order function def higher higher order function because it will receive another function as an argument. At the same times I will also receive the one key list. Okay, it will receive the list, my list. Okay, sorry, after that my list. Now I want to pass that list to the function. Okay, function and pass the my list. Okay, in that def okay, print list function. I'll accept the list, my list. I will accept. Now I will accept the number list. Okay, and that's at a log read. Okay, for item in my number list, I will simply print item one by one. Item, sorry, it will be item. Now I need to call the higher function. Result equal higher order function. Now what I'll do, first I need to provide the print list. This is the functions. Okay, and then provide the my list. Okay, my list. That's it. Print result. Let's give me okay, I forgot about it. None. 1 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it has given the 6 because I have the 6 in there. What if I can also run? So what if I can also print? I can also do the much more things with it. Okay, let's say I want to I want to do the sum of things. I want to do the sum of I want to sum of the number list. Okay, so first I want to convert into a square. Okay, I want to make it the square of each of number in a list. Okay, let's create a map. Okay, square num equal list over the x colon x times 2. Okay, simply pass the number list as a second argument. Okay, now I can reduce it. Print. Okay, I want to import the one function. So from functools import radius. Okay, within radius. Okay, result sum of num equal result. Sorry. It will be reduce. Within reduce I need to pass First I will accept lamp mb the lambda and x and y, clone x and y, x plus. Okay, now we need to pass the number list. Sorry, yes, we need to pass the number list. Now I can simply print the numbers. Print, so it simply return the number. Return the sum of num. Let's give me 21. Now it's given the 21. Okay, the sum of that one is given the 21. I think you successfully did. I can you successfully. Okay. Okay, first of all, I square up that one. Oops. A square. I need to pass the square. Square now. It's given 91. It's given 91. So now we're successfully done with the higher order function. What it means? Okay, higher order function will receive another function as an argument and return the function. That is simple things about the higher order function. Okay, let's talk about the next slide. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, you can use the map, filter, and reduce. We are talking about the reduce as well. Okay, let's talk about the map and filter. Okay, map. I have a list and now I need to create the one list. List is a number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 sorry 5 6 7 7. Now I want to use the map. Now I want to convert each of them. I want to convert the list. Okay, I want to convert, that means I want to manipulate that list element with the help of map. List manipulation. List manipulation. Okay, create the list and map. Within map I will need the lambda function, lambda function, and accept x. The next x times 2 and your my list. Okay, within the my list I can simply print that one. Can you guess anything? List manipulation. Let's give me the square of those things. 1 4 9 16 36 and 49. I think you get the use of map. So now I can simply sum up that one as well. So with the help of reduce functions. Okay, from reduce from func tools import reduce. Now I can use the sum of num equal reduce. Okay, within reduce I will use the lambda function as well, lambda x. Okay, I will get the x and y and plus it, x plus y. Now simplify the list manipulation. That's it, the list manipulation. So now I want to finally I will return 150. Okay, so I can do the one more thing. I can literally filter it based on some condition. I can filter it. Okay, filter. I can filtered list equals list. Okay, and then I need to provide some conditions as well. First filter, we can filter, use lambda. I'll accept x. Okay, x modulus operator 2 equal 0. Okay, and that means I want to get the even number from there. Okay, now I want to provide the list manipulations, and simply after the list manipulations I want to provide the filter list. Okay, I want to sum up the filter list. I want to print the sum of filter list. Okay, sum of filter list. Okay, let's do. It's give me what? It's give me 56. Now it's actually done with the filter list. So obviously those are some meaningful example of the higher order functions. Okay, what is next? Your map, filter, and also use the radius as well. So okay, let's talk about the closer. Okay, what does it mean by the closer? A closer is a function that remember its enclosing lexical scope even after the outer function has finished execution. This allow a function to remember the values from its environment. Okay, don't worry, I'll give example as well, that one as well. Okay, the closer. Okay, closer. Okay, now I'll define one function. Def is outer. I'm going to pass x. Okay, now I'll create another function called inner. I'll accept the parameter y and simply return the sum of it. Return the x plus y. Okay, now return the inner functions. Return the inner function. Call the closer. Closer equal outer and pass the x5. Now I've successfully completed bit. I've successfully closed the outer function. Still it will remember. When I use the result equal, inner result equal closer and pass the 5 and pass 6 once again. I'll try to print it. Result. Give me the how does it possible with the help of closer. Because of closer, that one is possible. Has been possible because when I pass the 6, the function execution has been completed. My program is ended. Still, it's remembered through closer. Okay, when I pass the result, when I pass the 6 to the closer, I still remember the previous value 6. When the addition, the x plus y means the 6 plus 6, it will return it to the result. That's how you finally print the result in our terminal. So that's it. Okay, let's talk to the next slide. This is the partial function. Okay, a partial function allow you to fix a certain number of argument of a function, producing a new functions. I think I downloaded it. Okay, let's talk about it as well. First, now close everything from functools, import partial. Okay, now define or call def multiply. Okay, def multiply. The multiply is x multiply on x equal return. It will return 2 times x. 2 times the result equal 2 times the result equal partial. Let's go double. Okay, I'll simply put the double equal result. I'm sorry. It will be partial. It will accept the two functions x and y. By the way, I'm sorry, x and y. It will be y, x and y. So I'm so sorry for the syntax. Partial, I need to first provide the multiply and provide the x. Okay, provide the x is 10. Okay, let's assume 2. I'm providing 2. Now I need to use result equal double. Within a double I can pass the value as well. How cool is that, right? Now it's also defined. I need to pass y. Y is 10. So okay, I simply print it. Simply print the result. No, I can simply print the result. Let's give me 20. How cool it is. All the time when I try to pass anything to double, it will be doubled with 2. That means it will be multiplied with what? It will be multiplied with 2. So I think we have done with the subthread called the functional programming in Python. So please do subscribe to my channel and support my work. So have a nice day. See you soon. Bye. Hello and welcome to my channel Code with Imran 2.0. In this chapter we are going to be discussing about the multi-threading and multiprocessing in Python. So let's get started. Okay, what is multi-threading and multiprocessing in Python? So basically, let's start with the thread. What does it mean by the thread? So a thread is a small unit of execution in process. So Python support the concurrent execution of tasks using multiple threads. Okay, but is limited by the global interpreter lock, meaning only one thread executes Python bytecode at a time. So okay, we need to know only one thing. This is called the synchronize. Okay, so what point to use the multi-threading? So when you have a IO bound tasks like IO intensive tasks like a file operation, web scraping, database queries, and HTTP requests. Okay, those are called the IO bound. Okay, running multiple GUI element. Okay, how to use the multithreading. Okay, running the multiple graphical user interface element. Okay, run the background task. Now, okay, now what does it mean by the synchronization and locks? Okay, since thread have a memory and data corruption can occur in shared resources, we use lock to prevent race conditions. I think we have an idea. I think we have idea about the theory of thread. Okay, let's get started with code. Okay, now I'm going to create a simple functions name. Sorry, now I need to import it. Import threading module. Same time import the time. To define a function name worker. Sorry, it will be function by the way. And then I want to print the current thread. Okay, thread name equal threading dot current thread dot name. It will be name. Now it's give me the thread name. That's it. And I will be time dot slave for 4 seconds. Okay, it will be slave for 4 seconds. Now I want to create the thread. But for first I just want to create one list. Okay, list. I can thread here. EADS threads is pretty meaningful things for threads. For I in range 5. Okay, I want to create the 5 threads. Thread TREAD thread equal the threading dot thread. Okay, then I need to provide the target equal the name of the functions. Okay, this function worker, and then I need to provide the name of the thread. What will be the name of the thread? I want to provide the name of the thread will be thread long I plus 1. Okay, after that I will start the thread dot start. Okay, and then after start the thread I want to put it to the threads list. Okay, threads dot append and simply put the threads. That's it. Now I want to print them. Now I want to print how many threads are running my program. Okay, print threads running with thread active thread. Sorry, I need to use the F for formatting output. Launch thread equals the threading dot active count. Okay, it will give me that how many threads are running in my programs. Okay, and then after that what will be next? Okay, now I need to join. So why you need to join the thread? Because I need to tell the main program is that you have to wait till the threads are completed. When thread execution has been completed, you'll be run. That's it. This is for the join. Okay, so now create for item in threads, that's it. Now in thread item to join, that's item dot join. Now fine, we're completely fine. After that I will frame the program has been completed. Program finished. Okay, let's see how it show. And create another terminal python main main.py. Let's see. It's give me 6 thread. Why that one give me 6 thread? Because one is a main thread, and for 5 I have created 5 threads. That's it. For those reasons it's giving me the 6th thread. So this is the way of creating thread. Okay, how can you synchronize it? Okay, don't worry. So okay, if you want to synchronize the thread for the race condition, so obviously all the threads are trying to access the same shared resources. For that reason, so it might be cause error. If you want to stay away, or you want to handle that error, obviously you need to use a synchronization. So that means the thread can access the resource one at a time. So okay, anyone can access everything in concurrently, right? So that's why we need to use the thread lock. Create lock equal threading dot lock. Okay, lock function, and then this is called the synchronizing the thread. Okay, now I want to define a function. So I want to define a variable counter. That one is a global variable, by the way. Counter. Okay, now global equal counter. After that, okay, with this is syntax for lock. With log for in range 1000. So I will run this for 1000. Okay, a print. Now I need to print it. Sorry, I don't want to print in there, and we simply plus 100 times. Okay, I will increase the counter equals 0, counter equals 0, counter now counter plus equal 1. Now what does it mean? So I'm creating a comment for explaining the codes. One thread can access at a time. So okay, this is okay. Now I have successfully done with that. So okay, let's see if I want to print it. If I want to print the counter in there, okay, now it's actually given that it's actually given the sum. Okay, but the race condition is handled by the synchronized things, right? This is called the synchronization. Okay, now what is next? After synchronization, the multiprocessing for parallel execution, or like unlike threads, okay, processes run independently with separate memory space. Okay, bypassing the GIL. GIL means a global interpreted log. What does it mean? Okay, if you want to know about the GIL, okay, if you want to know about the GIL, what is GIL? So say the GIL means that the global interpreted log is a mutex log in a C Python. That C Python made the one program that's written in C that allows only one thread to execute Python bytecode at a time, even one multi-core processor. Okay, let's show you example. I'm completing, so I'm removing everything. So from multiprocessing import what process, right? I need to import process. Now I want to define a function dev. Okay, I can simply I can write any functions. Okay, for running process. Okay, for running it. So I can simple processor, simple process. Okay, simple process. Now I need to print it. I need to print for I in range 5 6 for range 6. I need to print I. That's it. Print I. Okay, but so make sure you have to be run in a main. Okay, name colon equal main in a main program. Okay, this is the entry point of your file. That's why. Okay, it will be main processor. Okay, but now what I have to do here, processor process. Okay, process equal to the process, and now I need to provide the target. That's it. Provide the target will be what? Simple process, and then into process dot start. Okay, and process dot join. Okay, start and process dot join. Let's see, can you see anything? It's give me 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 blah 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 blah. We can also use poll as well. So how can you use poll? we don't need to use anything in there. Okay, now I want to use full. Well, if I want to create the full multiprocess, full, okay, full, oh, I need to use with full as full. Okay, now I provide the result equal full dot map. Okay, within full dot map I need to provide the two things. So I need to provide, okay, simply create one function called def is a square a square, and I will get an into 2. Okay, return, it will be return the n. I simply print I simply return n times 2. Okay, now map is I provide the square. Within a square I need to provide the one list is 1 2 3 4 4 5. Okay, I can simply print result. After that I can simply print the result. Print result. Can you guess anything? Now it's giving me it's giving what? It's giving the square of, it's giving a square of those elements. I think you got it about the multiprocessor. Okay, multiprocessor, how does it work, about the multiprocessor and the threads. Okay, what's the difference between there when you need to use the multiprocessor and when you need to use the threads in your program. Everything you have the idea. Now we are going to be talk about the asynchronous. What does it mean by the async.io is used for writing the non-blocking single-threaded concurrent program. So let's head back to the code. I'll show you the example of this. Great. Async dev say hello, simple function. Okay, async io dot sleep sleep for 10 for 4, right? And I need to print something from there. Hello from say hello, right? Make sure you're using a wait in there. Say hello. After that I want to create the main functions. Sync dev main. Okay, within main functions I need to call the task 1 equal async io dot async dot create task say hello, right? And create the task 2 equal async io dot create task equals say hello. This is the task 2. Now I finally await task 1, and after that await the task 2. After all that, async io dot run. Okay, run and provide the main function. That's it. This is hello from say hello. This is called the synchronous program. It is a void for it. Okay, and simply remove those. Okay, this is okay. I'm creating the simple asynchronous function as well as in there as well. So obviously within that, waiting for 2 seconds. After that I'm simply returning this one. Sorry, simply printing data and provided the value n and fetch. Task means fetch data equal 1, for I in range 3. Async dot gather, so it will gather the multiple tasks. Okay, because that one is takes the asynchronous. Okay, by the way, those one is array of tasks. For gathering the array of tasks, for getting the array of tasks, that means the runs all tasks concurrently, you need to use the gather. That's it. And after that, what you have to do here, after that what you have to do, so async io dot, sorry, so I haven't imported async io, I'm so sorry. async IO dot run main, pressing data 0 1 2 data 0 pass. Okay, first always start the patching and simply show the data. Okay, this is the meaningful one. So I think we're successfully done with the threading, asynchronous programming, and at the same time the multiprocessing. So have a nice day. See you soon in the next chapter.